Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you another really cool trick to boost your subscribers, and this will bring you another few hundred subscribers per month. It will not be as effective as the first trick that I showed you, but as I said, it will bring you another few hundred subscribers per month, all from organic views you're getting on your channel. And people make one common mistake, and that is they're getting and because they make that mistake, they get like 1 or 2% subscribers off of their views. And what I mean by that is, like, if their video gets 1,000 views, they will maybe get maybe 10 or 20 subscribers out of those 1,000 views that are coming into their video. But I'm going to show you how to boost that to like 20 up to 30%, and that way get like 200 or 300 subscribers out of 1,000 views, which is really amazing. And by the way, this is something that I have been using on my main channel as well. I have been using this from the start, and I'm sure that it literally got me at least 1,000 subscribers. It's not a lot, but again, like, some extra subscribers I got from that trick. And what you want to do is simply head over to Google and just search for free icon PNG. So I already searched for that, free icon PNG, and then you want to go to images, and basically you want to find an icon, the free icon, as you can see, with without a background, so a transparent file, PNG file, maybe this one or this one or this one, this one, this one. You can pick whatever you want to, but avoid these that have watermarks. As you can see, this one has watermark, but what you want to do is maybe select this one. This is a pretty clean design. I really like this one. Or you can maybe select some of these, and then you want to just download that to your computer. So right click on this and save image, save that to your computer. Then the next thing you want to do is just go over to youtube.com and just go over to your YouTube studio. And then you want to go to Creator Studio Classic. So you want to exit the YouTube Studio, you want to go to Creator Studio Classic, and then you want to go to your channel, and you will let it just load your channel, and you will just go to branding. And what you want to do is simply add a watermark. I already have that watermark, but I will remove it so I can show you how to do that. Let me just remove it real quick, and you will see something like this once you come to the branding page. You will click on this add a watermark. You've probably heard about this one, and this is where those people are making the common mistake. They just add like their logo as a watermark or something like that, but people, your viewers, won't even pay attention to that, and you will probably not even get any subscribers from that. But if you add something catchy like this, a free icon we're about to put, just upload that right here, choose a file and upload that. Once you have that on all of your videos, people will be like, okay, there's something free down there, and they will be more likely to subscribe to your channel. Let me show you how that actually looks like on my videos, on the videos on my main channel, Online Hustle, because I have that watermark running on all my videos, and you want to have this throughout your entire video. And once you update this, it will add a watermark to all of your future videos and to all of the videos that you have previously uploaded. So let me just go to my to some of my videos. So let me do like Online Hustle. Let me find some of my videos so I can show you how it looks like. That's the first trick. I'm gonna show you another trick in this video. Just be patient. So for example, this video right here, and as you can see, I have a watermark right here, free watermark, and if you put your mouse right here, you will see the subscribe button right here, and I currently have 18,000 subscribers on the channel, and I'm sure that at least 1,000 of those came from this watermark right here, because it's eye-catching. When people see something for free, they're more likely to pay close attention to that than to pay close attention to if I would just have a logo right here or something like that. That's trick number one that you want to do. Then another cool trick that you can do is just go to YouTube, then go again, and this is if you have already uploaded some videos. I don't have any videos on this channel, but okay, I have this one, but it's too short. Let me just show. No, this is too short. I will upload some other video so I can show you. Delete this, and I will upload some video real quick so I can explain you. So upload a video, maybe Okay, I will do this one again, and you have this vidIQ tab right here, or the TubeBuddy. If you're using TubeBuddy, you will have this TubeBuddy tab right here. If you're using vidIQ, you will see the same thing that I see right here, and you will click on this add at least one screen. I can't add this because it's not because it's too short, it's 2 seconds long video. But if you have like more than 25 seconds long video, you can add a end screen right here. And what you want to add is just simply call to action, call to subscribe to your channel. What I mean by that is at the end of the video you will have this button right here. You can see your logo and your channel, and they can subscribe on that. And you would be amazed if I told you how many subscribers how many viewers are actually clicking on this subscribe button on the end screens and on the watermark if you optimize it well, like I showed you in this video. So that's a trick number 2 on how to boost your subscribers based on your organic views. Let's jump into the next lecture.